Hi, I'm Desi. Welcome to my channel, Cooking with Desi. Today I'm making a family favorite that my dad used to make for us all the time, lemon soy sauce chicken with white rice and plantains. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Happy cooking. Today I'm making lemon and soy sauce chicken. My dad was from the Philippines and this is basically his recipe. He made this for us every week. I rinsed about 2 pounds of chicken wings and 3 drumsticks, and I'm going to season this with a little bit of adobo on both sides, not too much because I'll be adding other ingredients. I'm adding a half a cup of kikkoman soy sauce, which is my favorite soy sauce to use. I would say don't use generic in this recipe. I'm going to use half of a large lemon, and this is going to be my marinade. Now I'm going to cook the chicken in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so that the chicken could absorb the marinade, and you would cook it until it turns brown, as you can see, on each side. Once the chicken is done marinating, you could put it on the grill. While the chicken is cooking, I'm going to prepare my rice. I'm going to be making 3 cups of rice in my rice cooker. Having a rice cooker is great because you just set it and forget it. So I'm going to rinse my rice. I like to do it about 3 times until you see the water is kind of clear. Right now it's cloudy. So I'm going to fill the water up to just below the 3 line. So you would fill the water up to the line, just below the line of where the amount of rice that you're going to cook. If you put a little too much, it'll make it sticky. And so I rather err just below the line. Just going to add a little drop of olive oil and just a little bit of salt to season it, not too much because the marinade from the chicken is going to already have a lot of flavor. And then just put the lid on and set it and forget it. It'll go to keep warm once it's ready. Now, while the chicken and the rice are cooking, I'm going to prepare the plantains. I like to use yellow plantains because it's the perfect balance between sweet and crispy. Today they're a little firmer than I like, but it'll give it that crispy, more tostones taste. But I like it when it has like a little bit of black in it because it's the perfect balance between sweet and crispy. If it's black, has more black in it, it'll be sweeter, but then you'll lose the crispiness, and that'll be more like a Maduro. I like to slice it in thin vertical slices. I think it has a better taste for me for some reason. Now I'm gonna heat some olive oil in a frying pan. I usually test the oil by putting a little splash of water, and if it makes a little sizzling noise, I know the oil is hot enough to heat the food without making it oily. So I'm just gonna place the plantains in a few minutes on each side on medium heat until it gets a little golden brown on both sides. This is what the chicken looks like when it's done. We had it on the grill for about 40 minutes on medium heat. Looks delicious. And this is the plantains when it's done. I usually season it with a little bit of adobo, or you could use salt. And this is the rice in the rice cooker.